The Many Worlds Interpretation, MWI, and Time Travel. The Many Worlds Interpretation, MWI, of quantum mechanics presents intriguing connections to the concept of time travel, offering a novel perspective on the nature of temporal causality and the potential for traversing different timelines. Within the framework of MWI, the notion that every quantum event creates a new universe opens up fascinating possibilities for exploring the implications of time travel and its interaction with parallel realities. By examining the relationship between MWI and time travel, we can gain insights into the theoretical underpinnings of temporal journeys, the paradoxes they may entail, and the ways in which divergent timelines can intersect within a multiverse. One of the key implications of MWI for time travel lies in its proposition that every decision or quantum event leads to the emergence of a new universe. In the context of time travel, this idea suggests that altering the course of history or traveling to the past would not result in a modification of the original timeline, but rather the creation of a divergent reality. This concept aligns with the idea of parallel universes coexisting alongside our own, allowing for the exploration of alternative outcomes and the consequences of temporal interventions. Furthermore, the relationship between MWI and time travel raises intriguing questions about the nature of causality and the notion of fixed versus mutable timelines. In a multiverse governed by MWI, the existence of infinite parallel worlds implies that every possible outcome of a given event occurs in a separate universe. This principle challenges traditional notions of cause and effect, suggesting that time travel could potentially lead to the creation of new timelines that diverge from the original sequence of events. Moreover, the exploration of time travel within the framework of MWI offers a unique perspective on the resolution of temporal paradoxes and the coherence of divergent histories. By positing the existence of multiple universes stemming from different quantum choices, MWI provides a mechanism for reconciling seemingly contradictory events that arise from temporal manipulations. The idea that time travelers exist in a separate branch of reality, distinct from the world they originated from, introduces a new dimension to the concept of time travel and its implications for the structure of the multiverse. In fictional works that incorporate both MWI and time travel, narratives often depict characters navigating a web of divergent timelines, parallel worlds, and alternate realities. Stories that explore the intersection of quantum mechanics, temporal dynamics, and the existence of multiple universes offer audiences a glimpse into the mind-bending possibilities of time travel within a multiverse framework. By weaving together the intricacies of MWI with the narrative drama of temporal journeys, these works delve into the philosophical implications of altering history, the consequences of choice, and the interconnected nature of reality across different dimensions. In conclusion, the relationship between the many worlds interpretation and time travel opens up a rich tapestry of theoretical concepts and narrative possibilities. By blending the ideas of quantum reality branching and temporal manipulation, MWI offers a fresh perspective on the nature of time, causality, and the interconnectedness of parallel universes. Through the exploration of time travel within a multiverse setting, we can delve into the complexities of divergent timelines, temporal paradoxes, and the profound implications of altering the fabric of reality across infinite worlds. I have outlined the relationship between the many worlds interpretation and time travel, exploring how the theoretical framework of MWI intersects with the concept of temporal journeys. If you would like further elaboration on specific aspects or examples, please let me know.